If you're looking to monetize your website, you've probably come across Ezoic, but does it really deliver on its promises? Today, we're diving into what Ezoic offers and whether it's worth your time and investment. Ezoic is a platform designed to help website owners maximize their ad revenue through a combination of artificial intelligence and data-driven insights. The core functionality revolves around optimizing ad placements, testing different layouts, and analyzing user behavior to enhance overall site performance. From what I gather, it's particularly aimed at smaller publishers or bloggers who want to increase their income without diving into the complexities of ad management. Navigating the Ezoic dashboard, you'll find a user-friendly interface that allows you to track your earnings and make adjustments in real time. What stands out is its ability to conduct A/B testing automatically, which can be a game changer for those who aren't tech savvy. However, I did notice that some features, like detailed analytics, could be overwhelming for beginners, and there's a learning curve involved. Overall, while Ezoic has a lot to offer, the effectiveness can vary depending on your website's niche and audience. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Ezoic's automated testing can lead to higher ad revenue, and the insights it provides can help you make informed decisions about your site. Plus, the platform's ability to integrate with various ad networks is a definite strength. On the flip side, there are a few frustrations. Some users have reported that the initial setup can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with ad placements. Additionally, while Ezoic claims to optimize for better revenue, results can be inconsistent and not every site will see a significant boost. There's also a concern about transparency regarding how much Ezoic takes from your earnings, which might not sit well with everyone. So if you're just starting out, this may not be the easiest path to take. In conclusion, Ezoic could be a solid choice for website owners looking to monetize their content, especially if you're willing to invest some time into understanding the platform. However, if you're a beginner or seeking immediate results, you might want to explore simpler alternatives first. Overall, it's worth considering, but approach with a bit of caution.